First of all, I would like to greet you guys. Good day. This is MMM Global Presentation, created by Mark Anthony Canaugan. MMM History. In 1989, MMM was begun. Then, in Moscow, a cooperative MMM was registered up to 1991. October 20, 1992, MMM was registered as a joint company. In 2011, MMM was restarted because the participant was panicked. In 2014, MMM was established in our community. What is MMM? MMM stands for Mabrudi Mundial Money Box. MMM is a global mutual aid fund or global social financial network rather. It was found and established in 1989 by Sergei Mabrudi, who is a Russian mathematical genius. MMM is a community of people who are changing the world. And there we help each other by donate money. If you give someone will give you more than you give them. MMM is a international freedom, freedom, free, self-adjusting community. We can also say that is a social virus. MMM website and virtual accounts are only tools which help people to access each other. Program only collects data from people who want to provide help to people who want getting help from other people. It is a donation, so the money that you help someone is the money that not important with you or not necessarily. Sergei Mabrodi was born in 1955 in Moscow. His living is a middle-class family. Sergei Mabrodi is a founder and leader of MMM Social Financial Community. Sergei Mabrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. Two of these screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs, so he is a founder of MMM. How MMM works. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of graciousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. In cases of any matter regarding the topic, our online consultants are ready to help and answer all your questions. Bonuses. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all deposits of the participants you invited. Inviting new members into community is your additional contribution to its development. Understanding that the MMM network can exist without development and without the participants, so encourage them in form of referral bonuses motivate many people to take an active position. Manager's bonus. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in the structures make. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Manager's bonus depends on his level in the community. Registration bonus. After the registration and providing the first donation, the participants receives a bonus in amount of $20, $50, and $100. The goals of MMM: self-freedom, fair financial, help to all the people who suffer the poverty or the slavery of its country, and change the consciousness of the world. So together we can change the world. Thank you.